Good afternoon, YouTube followers. Out here again at Lake Las Vegas. And we got our bimini template done. And now the wind is picking up. Coming right at me. And we went to the second boat, which we're doing an enclosure on, a screen enclosure. And ran into a problem we did not think about when we quoted the boat. I was going to sew the zippers on right here in the ambulance, but the boat has a bit of a spider infestation, and there's still quite a few spiders on this thing, and I am really not into getting a bunch of spiders in the ambulance. So I'm going to wrap it up and put it in a bag, and we'll take it back to the shop and we'll wash it and get it spider free, and then that way we can sew it safely and not get all bit up. I've got spider webs all over my shoes. It was quite the infestation down there, so we're just going to wrap things up here. I do have I believe I need to go up the hill here, and there's a barbecue up there for me to template, and hopefully the wind is not too bad at their place. There's some young ladies out there on some paddle boards. Lots of fun here at Lake Las Vegas. So, calling it a day out here as far as this boat is concerned. Thanks for following along.